Can I interest you in a free essential toolbox for YouTubers? We've created a free toolbox at Pixflow, and I want to talk about how tools like this can help you create a branded YouTube channel with its own unique style. A branded channel features graphic elements in videos and across the channel designed to create a unified brand. This is called visual consistency. Consistency in visual style helps create a recognizable brand identity. When users see the same visuals across your channel, they are more likely to remember your brand. That's why every title, subtitle, logo motion, transition, lower third, end screen, and even the color grading of your footage should be unified and purposeful, creating a cohesive visual identity for your channel. A branded channel also conveys professionalism and attention to detail. It shows that your brand cares about its image and is committed to quality. However, not every channel has a designer to align all the visuals. So, our designers created a group of templates to help you take your channel's aesthetics one step further. And it's all free. With this free YouTubers toolbox, you can cover every motion graphic need in your videos and have them all matched and unified. These elements can be used in After Effects and Premiere Pro, and they can all be customized to match your own color palette and font style. The best part is that you can use them creatively, mix and match them, or repurpose them for other parts of your video. While you're at Pixflow to get your free YouTubers toolbox, I recommend browsing our library of templates. Check out other elements you can use for your videos, like VFX elements, special transitions, and unique typography templates. You can access all of them with a single subscription, so you don't have to choose. They're all yours. One last point. While having a consistent visual identity is important, it doesn't mean that every piece of content should be identical. There should be room for creativity and variety within the established visual guidelines. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.